No? Cute. Real cute. Where are we?
We're at NN Burger.
What is NN Burger?
Deliciousness.
Deliciousness. Where are we? Tappahannock?
We're in Tappahannock, Virginia.
Yeah.
Right by the water. And we're gonna go in. This place makes like super wonderful gourmet burgers. I usually get one that has like crab meat on it. Like it has a little bit of crab meat on top of the burger, and then like what do you call them? Like pickled vegetables or something on it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And then they have milkshakes too.
Yep.
Delicious. And they make like spiral cut French fries, and you can watch them. Or no, they make the chips. They have one of those things that they put the like potatoes on, and then like it spins it and it pops out like ribbon chip kind of things. Remember?
Yeah.
That's what it is. I'll have to get that on top. It's so good.
Yes.
What are you gonna get? You're not getting anything, are you?
Probably not.
Okay.
Unless they have maybe like a kid's burger. And the reason I'm probably not eating much is something like yesterday, after yesterday's video, and we'll get to how our plans have changed about that after lunch. But after yesterday's video, we went and hung out with our friends, and then as we were going home, I just started feeling like crap.
Man flu.
Man, I got serious case of man flu. I had like 101.
Almost 101.
101-ish degree fever last night, so I was like shivering and terrible and just awful. I woke up this morning and not doing great, so not much of an appetite. So we'll see. I think a milkshake might help.
Oh, a milkshake. Oh my gosh.
All right, burger time.
Let me see your shirt.
Are you wearing my shirt?
You guys have the same on.
Look at that. We're twinsies. We're the cutest boys in the world.
What?
Here, hold
Aw.
this baby.
Brookie, you're a cute boy too. All right, let's go.
Okay, we gotta wait.
You got it?
Want me
Big
to
jump?
walk with you?
Woo!
I'm not gonna lock.
Close the door. Brooke, close the door. Silly. She loves hitting that button every other time, and then she just walks away. And it's gonna honk 3 times. There you go.
Good.
Alrighty. So, NN Burger, best burger in the area.
Voted
Multiple
that
years,
times.
many years. Oh, there's a bee. Yep. They're also dog friendly, which we really appreciate, especially on moving days, because we'll have the dog with us. And they had a funny sign out front. Let me show you that real quick. I like this sign. You got a lightning bolt? You a princess? What do you have, Tara? Oh, it braces face? Whoa. Brooke, do you have... No. That's a mustache. That's a mustache. Put over your eyes. Oh, it's so pretty. You want to do that one? It's purple. Tara, do a big handlebar mustache. No? Cute. Real cute. It's called pub mix. You could like have it on the counter at a bar or something. It's just salty and crunchy. It's good. Ben, you like your crackers? That's a pretzel.
But there is little bread chips in there.
Yep. Ben, you like your crackers? It's a breadstick.
It tastes like pasta.
The bread thing? Does it taste like pasta? What do you want that they have? Beignets. Yeah, they do beignets here. I don't think we knew that. So I might have to get a couple milkshakes and some beignets. Okay, food's here. Look at these fries, man. They do like a spiral chip thing. And this is the
That is
what
Southern.
is this one?
Southern.
So it's got ranch, white cheddar bacon, and scallions on it. And then the grilled cheese, they use like an inside-out burger bun.
They look like a sword.
All right, an Aaron's burger.
It's the one that has the crab au gratin on it, and then it has like a balsamic glaze, and it's just so good. I was gonna get something different, but I just have to get the same thing I get every time.
All right, what is this? Automated hand washing station.
You do it first. You do
No, you do it.
it. No, you do it.
Nope.
Yes.
Just stick your hands in. All right, we got beignets, children and powdered sugar. They're not the best combination.
They are the
Oh,
best.
a beta.
They are the best.
Makes them happy.
Makes them happy. Look at all that sugar. Good Lord.
Look at how big these chunks are.
Yeah.
Needless to say, our diet has not begun.
No. Soon
I think we're
though.
gonna wait after Halloween.
November 1. November 1 it begins.
Slight hiatus for Thanksgiving.
There's a lot of
So we've got beignets and shakes.
I have a Nutella shake, and I think you just have chocolate.
Yep.
That's a lot of sugar.
You getting your buckle on, girly? Alrighty.
All right, Edinburgh.
Delicious. Always amazing.
Wait, Daddy, can you
So
help
good.
me?
I'll help you in a minute.
I loved it.
Yep.
Did you enjoy not having a burger?
It's okay. I had about a third of Tara's.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The burgers are good.
Yep. And the kids' burger, I think, is like $4.50, which is not bad.
Comes with a drink though.
No, doesn't.
Oh.
And doesn't come with any sides or anything. It's just the burger. Their grilled cheese was $3.50.
Jeez.
Yep.
It's good grilled cheese.
It's always a good grilled cheese. They do it on the grill where all the meat is made, so it's the yummy. So if you're ever in this area, the eastern side of Virginia, we're in the northern neck, and you're into Tappahannock, come eat at In-N Burger. It's delicious.
Yesterday we went to the Williamsburg 1000 Trails to check it out and see, kind of get the lay of the land and kind of figure out what spots we'd like to look at and
What
park in if they're open
what's
and all that.
accessible to us and what's not.
So, as you saw in the episode, there was not much. There were a lot of bigger rigs in there, probably, but they were in the bigger spots. And there's no guarantee any of that's going to be available next Sunday.
Nope.
So we've kind of reconfigured our plans. We're no longer going to Newport News for a couple days and then going to Williamsburg. Now we're just going to go back out to Rockahawk, which was the first campground we ever went to last year after we sold the houses.
It's one of my favorites.
And so we'll be out there for like a week and a half, and then we'll come back up to Gloucester to the Chesapeake Bay 1000 Trails because we really like it. We don't like how far it is from Williamsburg, but we fit. I have a full cell signal. It's quiet. It's really nice. So,
It is nice. And, I mean, we're an hour away from most things, but, I mean, a lot of the places we've stayed, we've been even further away from the main attractions.
Yeah.
And, we don't have a set schedule any day, so if we want to go and spend the day in Williamsburg, then we'll just get up and go and spend the day there and come home.
Yeah.
It's not like we only have the couple hours in the evening to go or just the weekend. So
Yeah.
I think it'll be all right.
Yeah, it'll be all right.
And we'll have peace of mind of being in a nicer place that we know we can get in and out of, and that we have a good cell signal at.
Yeah.
So
And we also, after, we were going to be in Williamsburg until the Sunday before Thanksgiving, and then we were going to head up to Northern Virginia for Thanksgiving. But we were going to take the trailer up and park it on the friend's land, and we were looking at the satellite of that. We don't even think we can get into his property.
Nope.
Because of the way that the fences and gates are set up.
We're just gonna stay
We'll
at
leave the rig
Chesapeake Bay,
here,
I
and
think.
we'll just take the van up for Thanksgiving and come back.
That'll be less stress on that busy driving weekend.
Yeah.
We'll just have the van. We can stay without any worries about anything.
Yep.
I think that'll be more stress-free for everybody involved.
Yeah, and then we'll just leave from here. It's also nice we won't. That's another almost 400 miles we don't have to put on the trailer.
Yeah.
Or spend on gas, on diesel, because they get 11 miles to the gallon.
Yeah, we'll just take the van.
So we'll leave the trailer down here and head up for Thanksgiving, and then come back, and then start our march south. All right, so we're gonna hit Walmart, get some stuff,
You're gonna hit Walmart.
We're gonna get milk.
hang out here.
Yeah, we just need milk really. We made it home. Ben fell asleep on the way, and we were able to, or Aaron was able to get him inside while still asleep, which is always great.
Kind
so
of.
he'll have a proper nap before like dinner time. So we'll see when he goes to bed.
Yep.
I think that's it for today. We're just gonna kind of hang out, catch up on some YouTube videos, watching them, not making them.
Right.
And get some schoolwork done. So we will see you all tomorrow. Make sure to go to 5togo.com and patreon.com/5togo to see some more content.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, bye.
Bye.